Children, how are you? Let's see today a challenge of train station construction. I am excavator and I am good at digging. I am a crane. I am very strong. I am bulldozer. I am expert at pushing the dirt. Dirt truck, road roller, concrete mixer. Wow! Super truck team. Always ready to put challenges. Super truck team, let's watch locations. Train station construction. Yay! Excavator. Get ready, work. Wow! Oh ho! Super truck team, let's go. A train station needs to be built here. Truck team, can you complete this task? No problem. Super truck team, let's start work. Before building the train station, construct the foundation first. I am the bulldozer. I am clean up the garbage on the ground. Yay! Very nice. Wow! Amazing! I am concrete mixer. I am ready to lay concrete. Good job! Very nice! Yoo-hoo! I am road roller. Compact the road until it level. Yay! Hooray! Super duper! I am the strong crane. I am ready to fix the waiting room. Wow! Amazing! Yippee! Yoo-hoo! Super! Finally, let's build the railway track. I'm dung trap. I lay the stones first. Yay! Good job! I'm I'm the excavator and I lay the track first. Let's change it. Wow, super! Let's lay the tiles now. The tiles can secure the wheels by supporting them. Wow, amazing! Then assemble the reels, attach screw on the reels. Hooray! Very nice! Let's attach screws on it. Wow! Very nice. Hooray! We did it! The reels are completed. We can place the train on the reels. Yay! Oh, oh! Yippee! What a stylish train station! Thank you so much, truck team. Yay! Hooray! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Hooray! Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos. See you in the next video. Bye.